Ever wondered how the past shapes our present and future, or the role of military commanders in shaping history? Today, we embark on a journey through time, visiting the hometowns and memorials of the top 5 Allied commanders. We'll uncover the stories of Eisenhower, Montgomery, MacArthur, de Gaulle, and Zhukov, and how their legacies continue to resonate. Remembering history, after all, is key to understanding our world. Join us as we delve into the lives of these extraordinary individuals and the places that were part of their incredible journeys. Our journey begins in Pennsylvania, at the Eisenhower National Historic Site. This is where Dwight D. Eisenhower, the man who led the Allies to victory in World War II, called home. More than just a residence, this farm was a sanctuary, a place to unwind, and a venue for discussions with world leaders. It's not just a house. It's a testament to Eisenhower's life, his leadership, and his indelible mark on history. Eisenhower's home stands as a reminder of his significant contributions to our world. Next, we cross the Atlantic to London's Montgomery's Pub, and then return to Virginia's General Douglas MacArthur Memorial. Our first stop is Montgomery's Pub, named after Field Marshal Bernard Law Montgomery. This isn't a memorial, but it's a window into British military culture and Montgomery's public image. The pub's lively atmosphere reflects the camaraderie and spirit of the military fraternity, while the various memorabilia and portraits of Montgomery depict the commander's indomitable spirit and leadership. Now, let's journey back across the pond to Virginia, where we find the General Douglas MacArthur Memorial. Here we delve into MacArthur's life and career, as told through a collection of artifacts and personal items. The memorial is a treasure trove of historical significance, and it also serves as his final resting place, a solemn reminder of his contribution to the Allied forces. These sites provide a unique glimpse into the lives and careers of 2 influential commanders. Our journey concludes with visits to Charles de Gaulle's birthplace in Lille, France, and Marshal Zhukov's museum in the Kaluga region, Russia. In the heart of Lille, we find the birthplace of Charles de Gaulle, a house now transformed into a museum. Here we delve into de Gaulle's life, from his humble beginnings to his rise as a leader of the Free French forces. The exhibits give us a glimpse into the grit and determination of the French resistance, a testament to the resilience of a nation under siege. Our final stop takes us to the Kaluga region, Russia, home to the Marshal Zhukov Museum. Here we uncover the life of Marshal Georgy Zhukov, a hero of the Soviet Union and one of the leading generals of World War II. The museum showcases Zhukov's strategic genius and indomitable spirit, which played a crucial role in shaping the outcome of the war. These places serve as testaments to the indomitable spirits of de Gaulle and Zhukov. As our journey concludes, we reflect on the lives and legacies of these 5 outstanding commanders. From Eisenhower's farm to Zhukov's museum, we've traversed the globe, exploring their roots and their impact on history. By remembering our past, we honor their contributions and learn valuable lessons for our future. Thank you for joining us on this journey through time.